Opposite words: alive, dead, allow, forbid, ancient, modern, amateur, professional, amuse, bore, ancestor, descendants, angel, devil, animal, human, answer, question, antonym, synonym, apart, together, argue, agree, arrest, free, arrival, departure, artificial, natural, ascent, descent, attack, defend, attack, defense, attic, cellar, awful, nice, backward, forward, bottom, top, boy, girl, brave, coward, break, fix, careful, careless, catch, miss, ceiling, floor, certainly, probably, clever, stupid, close, open, cloudy, clear, death, birth, deep, shallow, defeat, victory, enemy, friend, enjoy, hate, enter, leave, entrance, exit, equal, different, even, odd, excited, calm, exclude, include, failure, success, false, true, few, many, find, lose, finish, begin, first, final, flat, hilly, follow, lead, foreign, domestic, foreigner, native, form, destroy, fortune, bad luck, fresh, stale, harvest, plant, health, disease, healthy, ill, heaven, hell, host, guest, huge, tiny, humid, dry, hungry, thirsty, husband, wife, ignore, notice, import, export, life, death, light, dark, like, hate, liquid, solid, little, big, little, much, leave, die, long, short, lose, win, lovely, terrible, low, high, lower, raise, measure, minor, male, female, moon, sun, more, less, nasty, nice, new, old, nephew, niece, night, day, plenty, lack, pleasant, awful, profit, loss, rare, front, right, left, rude, polite, rural, urban, satisfy, annoy, small, big, smooth, rough, some, many, east, west, north, south, loud, quiet, town, village, work, rest, young, old, above, below, with, without, in, out, all, none, before, after, up, down, over, under, front, back, about, exactly, near, far, and, or, always, never, inside, outside. Ask, reply. Awake, asleep. Give, take. Love, hate. Laugh, cry. Mend, break. Agree, refuse. Whisper, scream. Buy, sell. Arrive, depart. Begin, end. Build, destroy. Come, go. Good, bad. Beautiful, ugly. Bold, timid. Bright, dim. Broad, narrow. Best, worst. Early, late. Full, empty. Funny, serious. Happy, sad. Hard, easy. Heavy, light. Hot, cold. Autumn, spring. Already, not yet. Active, lazy. Add, subtract. Adult, child. Admit, deny. Black, white. Bitter, sweet. Blunt, sharp. Borrow, land. Body, soul. Big, small. Comedy, drama. Compliment, insult. Compulsory, voluntary. Connect, separate. Consonant, vowels. Constant, variable, construction, destruction. Continue, interrupt. Cool, warm. Correct, wrong. Courage, fear. Create, destroy. Cruel, kind. Daughter, son. Damage, repair. Dangerous, safe. Divide, unite. Divorce, marry. Dry, humid. Dusk, dawn. Mass, order. Now, then. Negative, affirmative. Thin, thick. Teach, learn. Tall, small. Throw, catch. Take off, land. Total, partial. Tomorrow, yesterday. Tight, loose. Tiny, giant. Vacant, occupied. Violent, gentle. Visitor, host. Waste, save. War, peace. Yes, no. Visible, invisible. Zigzag, straight.